In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all liked songs from Spotify on desktop. Spotify's desktop app doesn't include a single button that says remove all for your liked songs, but the good news is that you can still clear out your entire liked songs list very quickly using a simple select all method. This works great if you want to start fresh, clean up your library, or just remove everything at once without clicking songs one by one. First, open the Spotify desktop app on your computer. Once you're inside the app, look over to the left-hand side and go to Your Library. From there, click on Liked Songs, which is usually marked with the heart icon. This will open the full list of every song you've liked in Spotify. After you're in the Liked Songs section, click on any song in the list once. This part is important because it makes sure the song list is active and ready for keyboard commands. If you skip this and click somewhere else in the app, the shortcut might not work correctly. Next, select all of the songs in your liked songs list. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, press Command and A. As soon as you do that, all of the songs in the list should become highlighted, showing that everything has been selected. Now it's time to remove them. With all the songs still highlighted, right-click on any of the selected tracks and choose Remove from Liked Songs. You can also simply press the Delete key on your keyboard, which may be even faster depending on your setup. Once you do that, Spotify will instantly remove all of those songs from your liked songs list. That's it, all of your liked songs will be removed right away. A quick tip before you do this, make sure you really want to clear the entire list, because this action removes everything at once. It's a very fast process, so it helps to double check that you're inside liked songs and that all the tracks are selected before you confirm the removal. If your Spotify app looks slightly different, don't worry. The layout can vary a little depending on updates, but the basic process is still the same. Open liked songs, select the list, and remove the selected tracks. And that's how to remove all liked songs from Spotify on desktop.